To create your very own website, you no longer need experience with a website builder like WordPress. Today, with the help of AI, you can create your own website within seconds. When building my own website, I came across 3 website builders which I really like, and in this video I will show them to you. I will break down which one is easiest to use, which one is the best for your goals, and the pricing of them. So let's just dive straight into it and start with TenWeb. Out of these 3 tools, TenWeb is one of the most advanced tools to use. It requires a bit more skill to use this whole tool, but once you've got the hang of it, then you can generate an awesome website. So let's just get started. Once you've signed up on TenWeb, you can start creating your own website. You do this by giving it your business type. There are various business types to choose from, such as a digital agency, advertising, a club, venues, event production, and more. So for this video, I will go with digital marketing agency. That's the type of website I will generate for each tool, so we have something to compare them all to. There are 3 steps that you need to complete in order to generate your website. So the first question is to describe your company and give your company name. So this name and the description of the company is what I'm going to fill out in each and every tool that we're going to use today. Now we have to provide our services. It already has come up with services and I think they look pretty good. So let's just click on next. Now we can choose a tone of voice. I'm gonna go with informal because I don't like the formal stuff on the website. And now it starts generating our website. Now the great thing about this tool is that it generates a WordPress website without you having to know how WordPress works. You can change everything in Elementor and you can also change it in WordPress itself. So you can customize everything once it has generated the website. So this is the website that it has made for us. One thing that I noticed already is that it messed up the name in the title. So the whole layout looks similar to an Elementor website. You can even add things if you don't like them. You can change everything and it's all like your standard WordPress editing. If you want to change your style, you can add in the background, you can change the colors, you can add effects, and you can even have like borders or shape dividers. It also has a responsive mode if you click on the bottom left corner on responsive mode and you can check it out on your phone or on your tablet, and now you know what your website looks like. It works just like an Elementor WordPress website, so you can change everything, but it has already generated the whole template for you. If you want to add a page, you can just click on add page and now it brings you to the TenWeb dashboard. In the dashboard, it gives you the option AI recreation, pre-made pages, or a blank page. So if you want to create another AI website, then you click on this button and it will create another page for you. So let's head over to the pricing of this tool. If you go with the AI starter package, it will cost you $20 a month. And if you go with the premium one, which gives you a few more pages to use, more words to use in the AI assistant, then it will cost you $30 a month. And if you have a really big website that you want to make or you want to create multiple websites, then you have to go for the AI Ultimate, which costs you $45 a month. Of course, you can get a discount if you go for the annual option, and then it will cost half the price. So if you're interested in using this, then I will definitely go for the annual option because it will save you a lot of money. So a cool thing that's added to TenWeb is that it has its own Write with AI tool. So if you click on the text, you can click on this button, Write with AI, and then you can ask it to simplify the language, make it longer, make it shorter, or fix spelling and grammar mistakes. You can also change the tone, or you can enter a prompt. So for this one, I'm gonna make it longer. So in a matter of seconds, the TenWeb AI tool has made this text longer. And it looks pretty good, so if you want to use it, you can click on use text, and now the longer text has been added to your website. Now there will also come out new features soon on TenWeb, which can be like changing the image with AI. Right now it's not available yet, but in the future you can change your image with the power of AI, which is a great feature to have. Now in the dashboard you can see it's a lot more complicated than you might think, but it's actually pretty easy to use. You have the AI builder right here from where you can create new pages or you can create a whole new website. If you click on generate with AI, you can generate a new homepage. Within the hosting services, you can change your domain name and you can make it more custom to your own business. There are also plugins that you can add to your website, which works the same as a WordPress website. One thing that I really like about TenWeb is that it is experimenting with a lot of new AI features, such as writing a blog through the AI assistant. So if you want to write a complete blog post on your website, all you have to do is click on this, then you enter the blog topic, for example, Now you enter the audience that you have, and then you click on generate. Let's see what it comes up with. So that took like 30 seconds, and now it has created a whole blog post about AI marketing methods for content creators. The blog looks really short. It has just summed up like 12 short sentenced points where it discusses like new AI marketing methods, but you can use this as a start and write it out further as you go. So Tenmap also offers tools like SEO, white labeling, and it also has WordPress themes installed. Overall, I think this is one of the most advanced AI website builders, but let's see what the next website builder can do. Durable is the next AI-powered website builder that I want to show you. I've been testing this out for a while and it works pretty good. So let's just get started with generating our website. Right now it's asking us what type of business are you building. If you're not sure yet, you can ask to see some suggestions. So now it gives us a few suggestions, but let's use the same type of business as we did on the previous website. So it also asks you where your business is located. This is because it wants to pull up a map of your business. There's also a feature to change your language. This is something that I haven't seen on the other website builders, but this is great for those who live in a different country. The languages that are supported are Dutch, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. So the next question it asks us to do is to fill out the name of our business. I'm gonna go with the same name as the previous one. And now our website is generated. So boom, now our website is ready and it has worked out pretty fast, and this is our website. So let's just go through it. It starts with an About You page. It has the services included, and it has a quote. It has our clients displayed, and it has the location. A cool thing about Durable is that if you don't like a page, you can just simply click on regenerate, and now it regenerates the whole content for you. So if you don't like this either, then you can do it again until you have the website that you like. So it changes the text, it changed the background, and it also changed the placing of the text. So right now we have a button on the left side, and previously we had it in the middle. So if you want to edit more of your website, then you can just click on edit, and over here you can regenerate different parts. For example, you can regenerate just the content alone. You can also regenerate the images. So let me just redo that. And I think this is all connected to a stock footage website, but this is all free to use. But if you have your own images, you can just replace them. You can change the position, and you can also toggle on or toggle off the buttons. So another cool feature that Durable has is that you can ask the AI assistant to change anything for you. You can simply ask it a question to change your website, create a blog post, write a marketing plan, or anything what comes to your mind. So let's change something on the website because I don't like the current style. I open up the AI assistant and I ask regenerate the current page. Now it will ask you to confirm this because you will change the whole page, and now you can regenerate. So now it does the whole process again, and it can customize your own website. Okay, so now our website has been regenerated. Another cool feature that this website has is that it will show you what it looks like on your tablet or on your phone. So you can click on tablet landscape, and now it will show you what it looks like on the tablet. It also shows you what it looks like on your phone. And it's all outlined perfectly, so you barely have to change anything on this. The Durable AI-powered website builder is more than just a website builder. It has features like marketing, CRM, invoicing, and an AI assistant all built in within your website. So let's just take a look at it right now. In the marketing section, you can create your own promotion. For example, you can create a Google ad, you can create a Facebook post, a tweet, or an email. So once you click on create a Facebook post, then it asks you what the post is about, and you can just simply click on generate. Now with the help of AI, it just generated a Facebook post for us. In the CRM system, you can keep track of all your customers into one place. There's even an invoicing section where you can create and send invoices to your customers. And lastly, the AI-powered assistant that we discussed. With the AI assistant, you can even ask it to create a marketing plan for your website. For example, this prompt right there. So it has now created a 7-step marketing strategy for our website. Even has the whole market analysis, target audience, marketing channels and tactics, the budget, the key performance indicators. Like, this looks pretty professional. So the pricing of Durable is a little bit cheaper than TenWeb, but it gives you a little bit less in my opinion. I would prefer using TenWeb, but let's discuss what the pricing includes. For $15 a month, you can change your domain name, you can have like 50 contacts in place, send 5 invoices a month, and generate 50 AI generated promotions. And if you like this tool a lot, then I would suggest using the annual button again, because here you will save 20%. So if you're just a starter or a business, you can pay anywhere from $12 a month to $20 a month to get your website up and running. Now let's move on to the last website builder that's in my opinion the easiest one to use. It's also the cheapest one to use. So let's just dive straight into it. The website tool that I'm talking about is Mixo.io. Mixo is similar to Durable and TenWeb, an AI powered generator. And let me show you how it works. You just click on Get Started for free. Now it asks you what your startup ID is. Mixo creates a landing page for your business in a matter of seconds. So now I'm going to give it the same prompt as that we used last time. And now Mixo is generating the whole website. It is generating the logo, it is generating the name, it is also generating the text and the images. So that took less than 10 seconds to create, and now we have our own website. The name is BrandFit. I'm not sure if we can use it. Of course, you might have to change it to your own custom name if you already have one. The logo looks pretty basic as well, but with all website builders that I have tested out, the logo building is pretty basic, so I would suggest hiring someone to do it for you. So this whole landing page has just been generated in a matter of seconds. It has even generated a review section, a unique quote by Uri Lopez, and a button to enter your email. So let me show you what else is included in this website. So this is just a one-page landing page. If you click on Save and Customize, then you can add multiple pages to this website, which I will show you in a little bit. But if you don't like the images that has been used, you can just click on Refresh Image Selection, and now we have a new image selection. So this looks a bit better, but if you want to customize it more, then you can click on Save and Customize. And now it brings us to the pricing of Mixo. So Mixo is a bit cheaper than Durable and TenWeb, but if you want more pages, then it is actually a bit more expensive than Durable. For 5 pages on your website, it costs you $19 a month. If you want to save a little bit more money, then you can switch on the annual mode and you get a 20% discount. So if you click on the link in my description below, you can get a 7-day free trial, or you can just continue with the free plan. So within Mixo, the structure looks pretty easy to use. It's not complicated at all. You have the hero section, the features, the testimonials, the FAQ, the call to action, notes, and the footer. If you want to add something, for example, there is no FAQ on this website, you can just toggle it on to show the section. And now we have an FAQ on our website. If you want to change the colors or the layout of your website, then you can click on settings. And over here, you can change the logo. You can change the size of the logo. For example, you can make it extra large. You can change the primary and secondary color. For example, let's change it to red. Now the buttons are red. And you can change the secondary color to a different color as well. If you want to get rid of this watermark that's in the bottom right corner built with Mixo AI, then you have to scroll all the way up, go to Configuration, click on Disable Badge, and for this you need the Pro website. You can also change the cookie consent if you track something different than that is described in here. And if you want to add integrations to your website, such as Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, or a Facebook Pixel, then you have to buy the Pro version as well. So if you'd like to add a new page to your website, then you can click on New Page. And these are the options that you have. You can create another landing page, an About Us page, product page, a service page, pricing page, or a privacy policy. In my opinion, if you're using Mixo for your landing page, then I would go with the growth site, so you can add all of these pages to your website, which make it stand out a bit more and looks a bit more professional. So now that we have seen how each of these 3 AI-powered website builders work, which one is the best for you? Well, it really depends on what type of goal you have. If you want to have a more customized website, I would go for TenWeb. This is the website that we've created with TenWeb. It gives you options to customize your website in WordPress with Elementor, which is very useful to have because 40% of all websites are made with WordPress. It is also the most complicated and the most expensive tool to use, but if you plan on generating a professional website, then I would go with Temweb. If you'd like to create a fast and easy landing page, then I would go with Mixo, because Mixo is really good for getting started. The layout is clean and professional, and it is really easy to customize your website. I would say you have to change like the quotes, the images, but that's something you have to do on all website builders. And the price of this website also comes at a decent rate. The website that I don't really like a lot is Durable. I don't think the website looks that good, but in return for that you have like an AI assistant and you have options to use invoicing and a CRM on your website. That's something that Mixo doesn't have, for example, but in terms of just the website alone, I would say Durable looks worst out of the three. So if you want to try out these websites on your own, check the link in my description down below, and I will see you in the next video.